Salad's coming in fresh. Might not be as glamorous as Boracay, but there are lots of little spots here on the main island where you can find a resort or a lodge. Let's explore Panay Island here in the Philippines. One of the largest islands in the Visayas chain. It is the mainland island where Boracay, the premier destination beach spot in the Philippines, is. And this weekend, although I planned to go there, after I saw a couple IG posts, I was just like, no way. That place is packed. The beaches were just like a mob scene, and I was just like, you know what? Let's see what Aklan has to offer, and Aklan has to offer a lot. Definitely one of the underrated destinations here in the Philippines. Some really nice private beach haciendas here. Look how fine the sand is here. It's like powder blowing in the wind. Fat beach house. Well, that sun's coming out again. Swim time, baby. Wow, the water is so refreshing and cool. And it might look like I'm out pretty far, but I'm actually on my knees. That's one of the distinctive things about these Visayas beaches, is that you can walk out really far and the water will still only be up to your waist. And it's all like really super soft sand. You can see that's like that mix of the black sand and the white sand. The whole bottom is soft all the way out, all along the beach. There's no coral, there's no, you know, sea urchins, nothing like that. No stones, no rough surf. The water is just the tiniest bit cool. I actually like it a little cooler, but it's incredibly refreshing when that sun is so bright. But it'll sting if you touch it?
Yes. No, not smelly, but this is the when you cook with vinegar, take out this first and clean this. You already tried this unit?
I've eaten this, man.
Here in the Philippines, we eat this, but there's some kind of 24 hours we let first
Right.
the inside.
And then you marinate it in vinegar?
Marinate it with some kind of
I mean, it's really simple. This is definitely a province vibe. A spot like this, you do an overnight in a cabin like that. Lots of good food here, but the trick is to come prepared. See the Australian pines? No masks here. There you can see trying to get that boss sunset, but the way the clouds are reflecting over there is just insane. You can really see it here. Hanoi party is still going all day and probably all night. Alright, week 2, so far so good. Another day of swimming laps in the bag. Came out at noon today and the sun is just unbelievable, which is why I'm wearing this thing to protect my head. And you know, it's been so much easier to maintain the calorie restricted diet and to just eat the incredibly healthy foods with no temptation. I mean, just looking across the street, there's bananas hanging from the tree. Not that I'm eating bananas right now because they're so high in sugar. So yeah, no sugar, no high glycemic index carbs. It's basically salads, vegetables, and lean protein, which here is consisted of fish mostly, and that's it. Like, I've even dried out from the booze, so I feel like the combination of actually less calories, good carbs and proteins, and no booze, and just drinking water. Like, I've just been drinking water for days and days. It's giving me a lot more energy. Chilling with my girl here at the volunteer center because apparently she's going to support work from home, and you know, that would be great for folks like me. So work from home here in the Philippines will become somewhat of a charged topic March going into April, and I'm not going to get into the PEZA, Philippine Economic Zone Authority level details of that at this moment. What I wanted to sort of touch on was simply work from home conceptually from the point of view of a digital nomad. When I first came to the Philippines and was working online in 2017 as a digital nomad, I would have to say the Philippines got somewhat of a bad rap. And you know, I love Manila. I'm a big Philippines guy. However, I was trying to get work done here and the internet was essentially subpar. I mean, it just didn't cut it. You didn't have a lot of options. You couldn't just go to the most beautiful beaches and just Wi-Fi, you know, your work all day and Mai Tai your way all night. And now, in 2022, it is getting better. I mean, I am on one of the largest islands in Visayas right now at a facility that is pretty fantastic. And it's sort of like an artist community, a coffee shop artist community, and I guess digital nomad destination. There are 3 beaches that I've been to in the couple weeks that I've been here that are within probably 15 to 45 minutes of here. There are waterfalls on the way to each one. It's pretty amazing. So digital nomads, thinking about the Philippines? Well, there's a lot of restrictions and a lot of considerations, but it's not as much of a bad rap as it was a couple of years ago. This table is fantastic. This whole compound is fantastic. It's really amazing. I like the mix of modern and traditional. Take a look at this one. It's an artist studio, but featuring the traditional weaving looms of the Philippines. And this is apparently made from pineapple, the leaf of a pineapple, and the cloth.
Plenty of broken fibers, so I have to fix it.
This will be the best coffee shop in Aklan.
Thanks so much for watching.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Take a look at the history of Jawali Falls.